Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're talking about a destination that is growing in popularity for people all over the world looking to move for work. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about getting a sponsored job in Poland with a visa as a foreigner. Poland's growing economy, job opportunities, and an affordable cost of living make it an attractive destination for foreign workers. Stick around until the end as we cover the economy, living costs, popular jobs, visa types, and tips to land jobs in Poland. If you're new, I'm Ashika, and I talk about moving across the world to work or study. And with that, let's dive in. Poland is one of the fastest growing economies in Europe and has become a hub for international businesses. With a strong industrial sector, IT advancements, and an increasing demand for skilled workers, Poland's economy has shown consistent growth. The unemployment rate is low, hovering around 3 to 5%, making the labor market stable and competitive. Now, some of the major industries driving Poland's economy include manufacturing, information and technology, logistics and warehousing, healthcare, and agriculture. Foreigners play a significant role in filling skill gaps, particularly in industries requiring technical and manual labor. Now, Poland offers a relatively affordable cost of living compared to many other European countries. Here's a general breakdown. For a single person, monthly expenses average anywhere between 3,500 PNL to 5,000 PNL. This includes rent, groceries, transportation, and utilities. Rent for a one-bedroom apartment in cities like Warsaw or Krakow cost around 2,000 to 2,500 PNL. For a family of 4, the costs range from 8,000 to 12,000, and including rent for a larger apartment, groceries, childcare, and utilities. Now, while bigger cities like Warsaw and Krakow are more expensive, smaller towns offer a much lower cost of living. Poland has a wide range of in-demand jobs. Here are some of the most popular roles and their average pays. Software developers make around 120,000. Engineers make on an average around 100,000. Doctors and healthcare professionals average an annual pay of 150,000. Teachers make around 60,000. And logistics and warehouse workers get an average of around 70,000. These positions offer competitive pay, especially in industries like IT and healthcare. Now, coming to the most popular jobs in demand for foreign workers in Poland. Foreign workers are often hired for roles that experience labor shortages. Some of the most popular jobs for foreigners include IT specialists, and that's particularly developers and analysts, with an average pay of 120,000. Then there's skills trade, which is electricians and welders, with an average pay of 90,000. Warehouse and logistics workers with an average pay of 70,000, hospitality workers, chefs, servers with an average pay of 60,000, English teachers with an average annual pay of 60,000. English-speaking roles are common in IT, education, and hospitality. However, please remember that learning Polish can significantly improve your job prospects. And this goes with most of the countries in Europe. If you do want to move to Europe, unless it's an English-speaking country, knowing the local language will always put you at an advantage. So if you're wondering how to skill up, you don't know what skills to learn for your job, if there's no direct skills that you can learn a language. It will definitely help. Now, moving on to how to get a job as a foreigner in Poland. Here are the steps you should follow. For starters, target growing industries. Focus on IT, engineering, healthcare, and logistics where foreign talent is already in demand. Next up, polish up your CV. You need to have a CV that meets the needs of European style or Polish countries specifically, and remember to highlight your skills and your experience. If you can, learn basic Polish, because even basic Polish can give you a competitive advantage. And remember to use recruitment platforms and apply through trusted boards and recruitment agencies. When it comes to networking, connect with professionals on LinkedIn and participate in online forums or events to show your expertise in your job. Now, if you don't know where to start looking for jobs, these are the top job boards that I'd recommend. There's package.pl, there's LinkedIn, jobs.pl, Indeed Poland, Ures, OLX Jobs, Monster Poland, Gumtree Poland, Adeco, and Manpower Poland. Now, to work legally in Poland, you will need a work visa or a residence permit. Here's a quick guide. These are the visa options you'd have. There's a Type C or a Schengen visa, which is short-term visa for business and employment purposes. There's the Type D, which is the national work visa, which is typically a long-term visa for employment. There's also a work permit, which is required for all non-EU citizens, and it should be sponsored by your employer. Now, in terms of the process, you first need to get a job offer from a Polish employer. Then your employer applies for a work permit on your behalf. After that, submit your application to a Polish consulate with the required documents. The documents would include your passport, a job offer and your work permit, proof of accommodation and financial means, insurance, and the processing time is anywhere between 4 to 6 weeks. The fees would range from 80 euros to around 100 euros. And once you're approved, you can work legally and start living in Poland. Now, remember, Poland is an excellent destination for foreign workers, offering affordable living, growing job opportunities, and a strong economy. So whether you're an IT professional or a skills tradesperson or a teacher, there are plenty of opportunities waiting for you. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.